be doing a video about when we went to the shop. We got these. They're super cute. Okay, now we're gonna open them. Okay, so guys, I'll just lower you down. Okay, now you can actually see what's inside. You don't want to see that. Okay, so we've got them. We're gonna open them. 3, 7. Oh wow, that's a lot. We also got these cute things. I think she's already put hers together.
Yeah. I already opened mine.
Oh yeah. So she forgot what was inside, so
Who is this? I didn't apply for anything.
sorry guys, just a little talk to my sister. She's got like a random text.
Wait, what is it?
I don't know. I didn't apply for anything.
Wait, go back on.
Okay, so guys,
Hi,
Application. I will be in contact before 8 p.m. today to discuss it. Thanks, Soraya.
What is application?
Like that I've applied for something.
is it for your?
Oh no, it might be a scam.
Just okay.
No, wait, is it for your shopping thing?
What shopping thing?
Remember you said you like bought something?
No, I didn't. I said I was going to.
Oh, did you buy it? So
Why
yeah.
are random people texting?
This is
I'm calling.
right there. And we've also got some more juice. This is apple juice. And here's some orange juice. And we've also got these cookies. And we've got some corn. Got some Brussels sprouts. And we've also got these little tasty treats. And this waffle. Cute. They're like so mini. We also have this soda as well. Okay, and we don't know what the string's for. I think it's, oh wait, it's a bag, so yeah. We've also got this little hook. How does it go there? I'm gonna attach mine soon. We've also got these. We just attach it like this. Just like so. And then we attach that like that. We also have this, like a little basket. I think it goes right here. Oh no, that's the other one. We also have these little things. I think this is a shopping bag. Yes, it is a shopping bag. Let's go ahead and click these right onto this. It's broken, guys. You see that? It's broken. It was a scam. It's broken. It still works. We can just put it in like that. Okay, so here's a little shopping bag. We've also got these. We've also got these. She already put hers in there, right there. She's already hooked them as well. Okay, then we also got this little hook. Okay, so now we're going to just attach everything. Okay, so guys, now we're going to attach these. Okay, so guys, we're Okay, so we both done the same thing. We're gonna put our juices in. I think I might put my juices over in here. Oh no. We'll start with the smaller ones.
Can you
actually.
put that together?
Please. Sorry, guys, I'm just doing hers. We've put our things in. Now I'm gonna add my little soda into here. And then I'm gonna also do what you did. Going like that. That's a good spot for them. So this is it so far, guys. Next we're gonna add these. Okay, then we're gonna, I think I might put these actually over here so that we have room for food. We're doing it differently now, guys. So my Brussels sprout at the end. We think they're Brussels sprouts, so we're just calling them that.
I finished.
So she's done. Okay, so guys, I've got a better plan for me. I'm gonna put my shopping bag right here, like that, and then I'm gonna add my drinks down here. Put these over here. These will go right here. I'm going to put this down here, this over here, this here, this here, this here, and then I'm going to add this bit over here. That's mine, guys, and that's hers over there. And then I'm going to attach my rope. Ellie has done hers. I'm done mine. So yeah.
I really sleep.
And then my one is right here. And I'm gonna put mine right here. So guys, that's the end of the video. See you in my next one. We're gonna do another one, so stay tuned for that. Okay? So bye guys.